Hi guys, happy to see you on my channel. It is lunchtime and I would like to prepare something quickly and not to waste like 2 or 3 hours in the kitchen. So let's cook noodles with cheese. It's really simple, quick and really tasty. So let's start. By the way, I don't want to wait for much time until the water boils itself, so I'm going to boil it in the kettle. So let's turn on the stove. Actually, I have never had such stove in flats where I lived, because it is quite rarity for some cheap flats that I rented, because probably it's quite expensive to install this touchable stove. I don't know, so we need to choose this one, and so that's it. I have a pot, adding some salt. It's enough. And putting some boiling water. I think it's enough. Not much. Noodles, I have this one, but also I have this one because they are quite mixed. Oh my god. Let's see how much I need, because I can't understand whether it's enough or not for me before putting it into the plate. I think it's enough for one time. So putting them into the boiling water and wait. So noodles are ready. Let's put them into the plate and add in some Parmesan cheese, of course Parmesan, because it is my beloved cheese. I have decided to have my lunch today in the room, so why should I always do it in the kitchen? I'm living alone, so nobody will tell me that we need to do it in the kitchen. So let's have lunch together. So I have my noodles and cheese. Actually, I'm not the queen of cookery, so I don't like actually spending much time for cooking, and I like simple meals which are quick to prepare. So it's really tasty because of Parmesan. As you remember that this week we have already prepared omelette with Parmesan cheese. Sorry for the interruption, my phone memory is full, so my film just stopped. So I was talking about the omelette, that we cooked omelette together with Parmesan, and it was so delicious because of Parmesan cheese, because it is really tasty. So please write down me in comments whether you have tried to cook something with Parmesan. So have you tried to cook omelette with Parmesan? I will read your comments. So Bon appetit to me and have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.